What is the most reliable Mercedes-Benz? Well, Mercedes-Benz brand as a whole has been associated with quality and durability. Some models that are often considered reliable include Mercedes-Benz E-Class, known for its balance of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the flagship luxury sedan with advanced features and a reputation for high build quality. Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a more compact luxury option that has been well regarded for reliability. It's important to note that individual experiences can vary, and the reliability of a specific car depends on factors such as its maintenance history, driving conditions, and how well it has been cared for by its previous owners. For the most up-to-date information on the reliability of specific Mercedes-Benz models, it's recommended to check recent consumer reviews, reliability ratings, and expert assessments. Car reliability can also be influenced by improvements or changes made in newer model years.